Boeing 737.
Boeing 737.
Boeing 737.
Boeing 737.
Imagine stepping onto a brand new airplane, confident in its safety, only to learn later that it was a ticking time bomb. 2 devastating crashes, 346 lives lost, and one of the biggest corporate scandals in aviation history. Today, we uncover the truth behind the Boeing 737 MAX disaster. What went wrong? And is it really safe now? The Boeing 737 MAX was introduced as the future of air travel, fuel-efficient, technologically advanced, and the perfect aircraft for modern airlines. But what passengers didn't know was that Boeing had made crucial design compromises to rush this plane into the skies. October 29, 2018. Lion Air Flight 610 crashes into the sea just minutes after takeoff. Less than 5 months later, Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 suffers the same fate. Pilots fought desperately to save their planes, but something was working against them. The culprit? A hidden system called MCAS. Boeing designed MCAS to help stabilize the plane, but here's the shocking part. Pilots weren't even told it existed. When a single faulty sensor triggered MCAS, the system forced the nose of the plane down, again and again, until it was too late. Instead of fixing the issue immediately, Boeing downplayed the risks, even after the first crash. Internal emails revealed shocking truths. Engineers warned about MCAS before the first flight, yet Boeing dismissed the concerns. It wasn't until the second crash that the world demanded answers. After global outrage, the 737 MAX was grounded for nearly 2 years. Boeing made changes to the MCAS system, added pilot training, and received approval to fly again. But the real question remains, would you fly on a 737 MAX today? Aviation is full of incredible stories, some inspiring, others terrifying. If you want more deep dives into the world of planes, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Next up, the Airbus versus Boeing war. Who really rules the skies?